Hello, Van Horn family. This is April 8th, the week before spring break, and this is our weekly Van Horn communication. And remember to empower all to be successful today for a better tomorrow. All right, some updates. Obviously, last week I canceled the staff meeting. So over the next couple weeks, we will be talking about ILPs and PBIS rollout for the rest of this year and some plans for next year. ILPs, you may have heard people talking about these. These are individualized learning plans. There is a video in the email that I'm sending that I'd like you to watch as an overview for the individualized learning plans, and then we'll discuss more at this week's PLC. There's going to be a soft rollout of the individualized learning plans the week of April 22nd. If you plan on taking any summer or fall PBVU classes, you will need to have an ILP. Everybody will need to have an ILP coming this fall, but again, I will get more information to you this Wednesday at PLC, or please come by and talk to me. All right, there's been a question of what the expectation is for teachers and morning lines. When our morning bell rings, I ask that you start heading to your line because we will have students there waiting for you. Instructional time begins at 7:50, so when that bell rings, we should be in classrooms ready to learn. The valet gate closes at 7:50. Mr. Haycock or I will be there to cover your line until then. Or we will come and get you at valet so you can go to your line. This Friday is a 2-hour early out before leaving campus. Please, all staff members, check out with Melissa to make sure that all of your students are gone. And please start letting students and parents know that we have a 2-hour early out on Friday. All right, Carnival was super successful. In 2 hours, we raised approximately $8,800. Next year, we talked about adding on an additional 30 minutes. 3 hours is too long, but 2 hours was way too short. And our grade level raffles were a huge success. So thank you to everyone who encouraged donations and or donated yourselves to the raffle. CASP testing is starting. 5th grade is starting actually this week. There will be uninterrupted time from 8:45 to 11. 3rd through 6th grade for ELA and math will be April 29th through May 17th. Again, we will have uninterrupted time. We are going to do a CASP training for testing grades on April 24th when we come back from spring break. We will have a quick leadership meeting tomorrow. We will look at a planning date so that we can start laying out next year's calendar. I will give some more information on ILPs, and then we will review evening events as outlined in the contract. All right, finally, some shout outs. Thank you to Ms. Flores, Ms. Melissa, and Ms. Kathy for organizing all the logistics for Carnival. Thank you to Ms. Elva for troubleshooting the alarm after Carnival Friday night. Thank you for all grade levels for the very impressive baskets for the raffle. Thank you to Ms. Maisie and Ms. Gonzalez for supporting the IEPs and Ms. Hogue and Ms. Castillo's classes. Thank you to Ms. Taylor, Ms. Hammond, Ms. Blythe, and Ms. Fulton for taking time to talk to me regarding Carnival scheduling. Thank you to the cafeteria staff for stepping in with Miss Brenda's injury. And then thank you for Miss Bethany, Miss Melissa, and Miss Wolgameth for their volunteer support of Carnival, and especially with Miss Wolgameth and the book fair. All right, please remember our school-wide foci: planning and instruction for ELA and math, data-driven instruction and backwards mapping, and PBIS, our school-wide matrix, lining up and walking in the hallways. Have a great week.